Come test drive the 2008 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, push button start. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.